What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and I have this big freaking package that ChargeTech sent me, and this is pretty freaking exciting. So this is their 124,800 milliamp hour power station that can supply up to 300 watts per AC outlet. So you can get up to 600 watts combined. So how I'm going to use it is a PlayStation 4 on one of those outlets, because I think the Pro can use up to like 240 watts, and then a TV on the other one. It has a built-in Bluetooth speaker, so while we're powering up all that stuff, we can have some jams blasting through the speaker on here, and we have an LED emergency light in case this is our vehicle, and we break down, and we need to let people know where we are. So that's freaking exciting. Let's open this up. Let's test it out and see what all the fuss is about. Now, my Anchor power station's been pretty cool during an emergency, but at just 100 watt output, it can't do that much. This is so much more than that. 600 watts total, 300 watts for each port. That's just crazy. So let's take a look at what's in here. Alright, first let's take a look at the accessory box. In the accessory box, we've got a power brick to charge this thing up. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, I have two of ChargeTech's little portable power outlets, and those things are really cool when I need to use my laptop on the go, or if you have a gaming laptop and you want to add some additional life because your gaming laptop dies rather quickly, or your gaming laptop throttles like mine did, and you need that AC power outlet to get the full benefit of using a laptop on the go. All right, here's the giant thing. This thing weighs, I don't know, like several pounds. I can't give you an exact estimate, but it's heavy. Here we go. We've got our Type-C power delivery, which is exciting. If you have a Chromebook, a MacBook, some sort of laptop that charges off of power delivery, this will do it. If you have a phone that charges off Type-C, this will do it. You've got Quick Charge 3.0. Then you've got two 5 volts, 2.4 amp outputs there, a 19 volt, 5 amp input, which is that charger we have, and then a button for the light. So I guess you have to turn it on, and then the light turns on. Okay. So you hold it to turn it on, and then you press it to like raise it and make it flash and stuff. You make it flash faster, and that turns it back off. So let's turn it off for now. We've got our plus, minus, pause and play. We've got our auxiliary input, and this side's where the magic happens. You've got a 12 volt port here. You've got AC output. You've got a little fan to keep it cool. And then you've got the AC output on and off, and two AC output ports. So I'm going to let this charge up, and then we're going to take it, and we're going to test it out. We're going to be playing some PlayStation 4 and powering a TV with this guy. Let's try it out. But first, we've got to plug it in, and see what happens when you plug it in. After 2 hours, 2 full hours of playing the PlayStation 4 Pro using about 180 watts using my watt meter over there, and my TV, which was pulling 180 watts. And I only measured the TV pulling 180 watts when it was on like just the default home screen. It's a smart TV, so I don't know if it was using more power when actually displaying the PlayStation game, because I don't have 2 different watt meters, I just have one. But so now we're charging. The little light turns red, which isn't bad, and it pulls about 99 to 97 watts from the wall while it charges up. I just want to take this time to show you how convenient it is having the ChargeTech power supply and the GAEMS portable gaming unit, and show you how quick and easy it is to get set up in gaming anywhere where you don't have power. With a setup of running a huge 4K TV and playing at 210 watts on the TV and nearly 200 on the console, so about 400 together, I was getting about 2 hours of playtime. A little bit over 2 hours, like 2 hours and a few minutes. But with this current setup, with it just pulling 7 watts from the little monitor, we should easily, we're only pulling 150 plus the monitor, so 160. And at the most, with like Anthem or something really demanding, we're going to pull like 180, 190 maybe. So that's less than 200 watts compared to 400 watts. So I would honestly say you're going to get about 3.5, maybe 4 hours of playtime out of this current setup. And I'm looking at my camera thing while I'm driving, so it may look really bad. Let me look at the monitor. Now I can actually see what I'm doing. It's just really awkward in this position. But yeah, we're outside and there's no power out here, but we've made our own power thanks to ChargeTech. And we're playing a game and driving around and causing some mayhem, all thanks to ChargeTech and GAEMS for making all this possible. Sorry, dude, but you gotta go. All right, you gotta go. Wait for someone, and let's blow them up. And just to end the video, let's see if we can catch our car on fire and blow it up too. Oh, this will surely do us in right here. Nope. Oh, okay. Died by that anyway. But yeah, so we're outside. We're having fun. Playing some video games. Let's go ahead and pack it up and call it a day. Thanks, ChargeTech. Thanks, GAEMS. Thanks for making this possible. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.